So how can you add the back button to your iPhone? Let's get into it and let's get started. So what you basically need to do is you need to realize that it doesn't work the way that Android works. So iPhone doesn't officially have a back button, but whenever you are like navigating through the settings or something else, you need to pay attention to the top left portion of the display where you can see like a back arrow with the settings page. So it's going to bring me back to the settings. For example, if I go to the general, then software update, you can see that the back button is literally written right there. So I can come back and then back again. So usually that's kind of how it works. Another method is to use the swiping gesture because alongside of the left side of the screen, you can just grab it like that and you can see that it also removes or like returns back to the previous page. So this is also another way how you can go back. But if you really and specifically want a floating button on the screen, which would be used as the back button, well, the accessibility section does have some options for you. So inside of the settings, locate accessibility and find the go to the touch section at the bottom. And then you need to make sure you have the assistive touch turned on because the assistive touch is essentially this floating button on the screen, which you can click on and it gives you some options. And these can be customized. So you can choose only, let's say we're going to pick only one icon or one action to be part of this. And we're going to pick, for example, that I know that it's going to return back home. So technically it could work. So right now you can see I have a floating button right there. And whenever I click it like this, it just returns me back home. So it's not necessarily a back button, but it kind of works in that sense because whenever I get inside somewhere, I can just click on this and it returns me back. So let me know below in the comments which options you decided to go with or which are those that you like for your device. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.